Hi, this is Rich Bucola here in New York City, and today on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make stuffed peppers. Alright, I just want to tell you a little bit about stuffed peppers. I keep telling you, I've been using a lot of my grandmother's old recipes. This one I've cooked a lot of times though. Sometimes, you just say this is great in the summer because you know what, it's made already. You could actually make them. My grandmother used to make them, put them on the countertop to cool, and even at room temperature, they get like just the way they were just warm. You'd come in and you'd eat them, and it was just magic. So it's a real simple dish, real hearty. It's going to be an amazing tasting dish. You're going to love it. I promise if you make it. It's my grandmother's old recipe, and I hope you come back. I'm going to show you everything you need. I'm going to show you how to buy great peppers and how to look for peppers and the cost and storage. I'm going to show you how to prep this. Prep time is like 15 minutes. They're going to cook in the oven. Actually, you don't even have to cook these in the oven because we're going to boil them in water. It's like a no-bake stuffed pepper. But to reheat them, you throw them in the oven. We're actually going to throw them in the oven today just to brown the tops with some grated cheese. With that said, come back and I'll show you everything you need to stuff this bad boy here at Expert Village.